In today's video, I'll teach you how to apply gift card on Amazon. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in amazon.com. Press enter, or instead of that you can also open the Amazon application if you want. Now you can see over here Amazon has been opened. Make sure you're logged in to your account. So if you want to pay with your gift card, what you have to do is make sure to add the items to the cart. If you do not know how to add the items, all you have to do is click on the item that you would like to buy and click on the option add to cart. Now after you do that, click on the cart option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now after that, you'll be able to view your shopping cart. You'll be able to see all the items that you've added to the cart over here. Select the items that you would like to buy right now. Now after you do that, what you have to do is click on this option, proceed to checkout, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the checkout interface. Make sure you've entered the delivery address over here. If you've entered the delivery address, you'll be prompted to select a payment method. Now what you have to do is scroll down. Now over here you'll be able to find this option for enter a gift card, voucher or a promotional code. What you have to do is click on this field. Now what you have to do is enter your gift card's claim code over here. Simply enter the code. Now after you enter the code, click on the apply option that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, the gift card balance will be added to your current purchase. If the gift card balance is more than the order total, the remaining balance will be added to your account. If the balance is not enough, the remaining account will be charged to your other payment method. So like this, you'll be able to apply the gift card. Now you can simply click on this option, use this payment method that you can see on the screen. After you do that, complete the transaction and you'll receive your order. So like this, you'll be able to pay with the gift card. So that is how you apply gift card on Amazon. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.